Guys, so today we are going to read a story about bird hotel. If it's a bird hotel, how would they build a hotel if you're going to do a hotel? Bird can't do hotels. They can't even build. So they make up their mind. So it's a tree. See this, guys? Birds over here and birds over there. One bird here and bird there. One. Today we are going to read a story. Okay. So the story is about Bird Hotel. And the hotel is trees. That is written by Jill Eggleton. And that is illustrated by Richard Hoyt. Half or Hoyt, I don't know. Let's get this game going. Let this game going. Mr. Biddle lived by herself. I like to live by myself, she said. One day, Mr. Biddle looked out of her window and she saw birds everywhere. They were making nests in her tree and they were chirping. Go away! I wanna! Mr. Biddle shouted. I want to live by myself. See, guys, there are so many birds on this side and birds on this one tree. So I decided, let's go to the other one. Mr. Biddle stayed in Mr. Biddle's tree and they chirped all day. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Where's a sea? The sea's right here. All day, Mr. Biddle stayed inside. She was not happy. Meow. When spring came, the bird chirped and chirped. What a noise, Mr. Biddle. She looked at her window and saw baby birds in every nest. Oh my God, that is not good. Baby, more like my birds. Mother birds flew in and out of the tree and were with worms and bugs and grubs. Ew, grubs! I hate grubs. They flew in and out in the tree all day long. This is terrible, shouted Mr. Biddle. Mrs. Biddle. There are too many birds in my tree. I just want to live by myself. She's right here in the street in her own house. And their kids in the school buses. School bus. Then one day, Mr. Biddle woke up and she couldn't hear the birds. There were no birds in the tree and no birds in the nest. There was no chirping. Mr. Biddle looked at the sky and she saw snow clouds. Winter is coming, said Mr. Biddle. Those birds have gone away. Good. Now I can live by myself. Wow. It's very winter. Oh my God, look at the snow clouds. Okay. But poor Mr. Biddle couldn't live by herself. People came to Miss Biddle's house and looked at the birds. Buses stopped at her house and people took photographs. Kids came and sat under the tree. Under the tree. This is terrible, Miss said. Mr. Biddle said, I just want to live by myself. Oh my God, she's very sad. You know, the birds have gone away. My God. And the birds have started with B. B starts for Bob. I just want to live. This is terrible. But I just want to live by myself. But I know already. Why do you have to say that a lot of times? Winter came. Mrs. Biddle missed the people stopping by her house. She missed the people taking photographs. She missed the kids sitting under the tree, and she missed the birds. So Mr. Biddle made a sign, and she put it on the tree. Bird Hotel, the Sand Lady. But who's the owner of the hotel? I do not know. Then one day, spring came. Mr. Biddle woke up and she heard chirping. She looked out of her window. And she saw birds everywhere. Good, said Mrs. Biddle. The birds are back. I didn't like living by myself. Let's see about a flow diagram. First a leg. This is a leg. This is a nest. So I don't know what this means, okay? I don't know where they start from because they already boom, 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 boom. Maybe we start from the nest. The nest to the eggs hatching, baby birds growing, birds flying. Yay! That is how a flow diagram. And it says, title, the bird. Oh, so that is all for today. And now and that's why we should love birds, because they're lovely. And please don't get them in their house, because I just had one in my house before. And I really don't want them to come back. So bye-bye, 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 guys.